Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yako, and this channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. If you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on videos. And when you click on video, you'll be able to see my present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. So all you have to do is to scroll down and see my tutorial. All these tutorials have been made for basic to advanced in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do is to watch the video, learn one or two things, and if you have any question as far as my tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. So let's get the tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can make this professional logo using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get the tutorial started. I'm going to drag this from one side here. Okay. Next, I'll go to my toolbar here. Then I will click down and select my circle. Then I'll go to the menu bar to format the circle. I will make sure there is no fill. Then I will make sure I add my stroke color to the black. Then I'll come to one area, make my circle. I'll make my perfect circle. Then I will align to the vertical and horizontal center. Then I'll go to Object now. I'll click on Copy. Then Object again. Then I'll click on Paste in Place. Now the duplicate one here, I'm going to resize it by press Shift key, then drag it. Shift key and alternative key, drag. So I'll make sure I snap it down below here. And I'll press Shift key and click on the main object, and I'll make sure I align it. Okay. Then I'll make a duplicate again. I'll click on this. I'll go to Edit. Click on Copy, Edit again, and I'll click on Paste in Place. So the duplicate one here, I'm going to just drag it up with my click. Add it here. Set. Okay, so one other thing I will do here is to click on the inner shape again. So when I click on the inner shape, I will go to Edit again, make a copy, edit again, then I will paste it in place. Then I will resize it, Shift key and alternative key, and I will drag in. Then I will snap to the top. It must be center. Okay, then I'll select everything now. Now I'll come here and select my Show Feeder tool. And I'll go to the property here. I will add color black. Then I can remove stroke. Then I'll fill it with good. Now fill this. So I can press Shift key on the second shape. Then I'll drag it out. Good. Then I can go to Object. Go. I can select this and press Delete key. And I'll click on the logo shape. I will align to the vertical center and horizontal center. Then I'll go back to Object. Then I will apply my appropriate color with my eye color dropper. I'll select this. Now select this color here. Then type the logo. Select my next tool here. Type the logo. Make it larger. Align the text. Then I can resize my logo shape. Object. I select the logo name. Then I will apply. Then I can select this. Press select everything now. I'll go to Object. Then I will align the vertical center and horizontal center. This is how you make a simple professional logo in Adobe Illustrator 2017. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. Also, don't forget to visit my channel for more interesting videos in Illustrator, Photoshop, and Corel. Thank you for watching my video from the beginning to the end. See you soon.